Setting up a Friendsgiving is easy. We decided on the following items from our outdoor furniture collection. Our 5-foot Weatherly picnic bench, Weatherly armchairs, 48-inch round table, and our 42 by 84-inch dining table. Of course, what good is a Friendsgiving without some decorations? Starting off, we made name cards out of dried leaves and a marker. We decided on a floral theme, adding some flower garland and apples to bring some atmosphere to the table. Finally, we added some candles to set the mood of the scene. How do you think we did? Of course, you can't have any meal without a refreshing beverage. For our Friendsgiving, we decided on an apple cider recipe, apple harvest punch. Start off with your apple cider, whisk in some cinnamon, you could never have too much apple cider. Add your ginger ale, then add your cranberries, apples, oranges, and whisk it all together. Finally, pour. Of course, don't forget a pie. And after that simple setup, this was our final result. Have a happy Friendsgiving.